another video. Okay. Hello, welcome. So in today's video, if you're among the people that doesn't like chemical, they don't like to use all this our skincare. Me, I like the chemical type. I want it the quick. I don't like this one I'm about to say, but just in case if it's something that you might interest you, I mean, I'm here for you. So if you are someone that doesn't like all this chemical, or maybe you don't have so much money to spend, but you still want to look good, I got you. So if you want to brighten your face, okay, this one is a natural remedy. You just have to get a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of honey, then cut lemon in half. I would have been showing you guys this thing, but I don't have all these things here. And couple with the fact that I don't do natural, even if I buy them, it will be a waste. So squeeze the half of the juice inside the honey, okay, and mix it thoroughly. Like mix it, keep mixing, mix. When you're done mixing it, then you apply it on your face, all over your face, like even extend it to your neck. Do you understand? Let it sit there for like 10 to 15 minutes. Do this thing when you're about to shower, maybe in the morning, okay? So after 10 to 15 minutes, you wash it off. If you do this 3 times in a week, your skin is going to thank you. I'm serious. I just like the processed one. So if you like natural, this is for you, okay? So the next one is your turmeric and yogurt face pack, okay? This one is also going to brighten your face. So any one of your choice you can do. So what you're going to do is to get a teaspoon of turmeric, put it in a container, then get 2 spoons of yogurt. Put it inside the turmeric and mix it so much. When you're done mixing, mix it very, very well. When you're done doing that, you put it on your face. As we all know, but just in case you do not know, turmeric is going to help brighten your dark spot. If you're someone that is suffering from dark spot, that's what the turmeric is going to do for you. And the yogurt is also going to brighten you and also hydrate your face. You know yogurt now. It's another thing you can do to also brighten your face. Do you understand? The next products I'm going to be talking about, if you want to brighten, lighten your face, is papaya scrub. Okay. All you have to do is to just get a little quantity, a little piece, mash it. Like if you want to, you can put it inside your grinder. You can grind it and pour it inside a bowl. You rub it on your face in a circular motion, papaya scrub. Rub it on your face. Anytime you're doing anything to your face, make sure you extend it to your neck. Do you understand? So you rub it properly. When you are done rubbing everything, let it just sit down there for like 15 minutes. I know some of you be asking, since you don't like using natural, how come you know about all these things? I research. Yeah, I research. And I also ask people. You get. So when you're done, you now wash it out. You have to, everything I'm saying here, just try and be doing them 3 times in a week. But I think that the one I prefer out of all the 3 that I have mentioned is the first, the lemon and honey. That first one, if you want to do anything, just target that one, okay? Let's jump to the next. Well, the next one is, I think we are on the 4th one. The 4th one is aloe vera gel. I think many people know about this. I think aloe vera, people really, in fact, people know about aloe vera, the lemon, and also the turmeric one. I think many people know about that, okay? So aloe vera gel, this one doesn't require you to break any bank, and that's why I like this natural. Maybe I might even switch. I don't know. So you just get the aloe vera gel and apply it on your face. Everything just apply on the face. Take it down to your neck, apply it and apply it. Let it also sit down there for 15 minutes. I used to know people have a lot of aloe vera plants. Like you can actually get it from your backyard. It's not like as if you even need to buy it, or any of these things you can even find at home. You understand? You don't even need to break the bank. But I still need you to patronize me, because if not, how am I going to survive? Look, even if you don't have money, if you come to my DM and said, I'm looking to get my body cream, body wash, these are what I'm experiencing, can 40k do it? Can 50k do it? Can 200k do it? Can 200k give me a good product? Can 40k give me a good product? Can 1 million, 10 million give me a good product? Hello? We will work with your budget. That's why we are different. Do you understand? No matter how much you have, come. Because some people, when you tell them price, they will just run away. If I tell you price, tell me, okay, this is my budget. I will find the products that suits that your budget. You will not leave without buying a good product. See, let me tell you, it's not about how much the product is, even if it's the highest in price. I mean, depend on how much you have, just go for your level. Even if you, after everything, I tell you, okay, your total is 300,000. Say, 300,000 is too much, but I have 200. I have 299. I have 40k. Which one can I get? Definitely, I will give you something that is within your budget. But one thing I always say is that if you have to, okay, let's take for example Cosrx vitamin C serum and Dr. Rachel. You guys always hear me talk about. You might use Dr. Rachel 1 to 3 up to 4 bottles before you can actually start noticing that, oh, this is actually doing something on my skin. But if you use Cosrx, you might also feel like that, and also you might also see results immediately. So I used to think that, okay, it depends on the quality of the ingredients. So it doesn't matter which one, as long as you are just in that road to get your skin glow. Even if you're using Dr. Rachel, it's not what I'm using. I don't have any complaint. So I think I have digressed. But what I'm trying to say is that with your budget, you can get product that is within your budget. Okay. Don't feel discouraged when I tell you, okay, this is your total. So the next one is rice water toner. Do you know that even the kind of business that I do, this one is not natural. We have really like rice water toner to tell you that rice, it can do wonders. So some people grow their hair with rice water. Now it can also serve as a toner. You get what I'm trying to say? So if you're someone who is looking to also brighten and you don't have that money at all to even, you can boil your rice. Do you know how you're going to do it? Should I tell you? Okay. You have to get a little amount of rice and boil it, then strain the water. You can put that in your fridge. You can use it as your toner every day, every day, every day. I mean, I also think that when you're going the natural way, it's going to require a lot of patience. But as long as you're doing something, you are not where you used to be. Even if you started today, you're not where you were yesterday. Do you understand? Anyways, I have come to the end of this video. I think this is more of a chit chat than what I used to do. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. You need to like this video, subscribe, share this video. Just make me your friend. You also have to refer me. Even if you're not buying products from me for now, refer me to your family members, your friends. Okay, we sell quality, authentic, original products. We buy our product from outside. I'll catch you in my next one.